Hello learner, my name is Rahul Mishra and previously we see the deserialization and serialization of the JSON object, but here people have a question in their mind how this JSON path will work, and every time I need to deserialize it. So no, and in a simple example, just like previously we saw that here you can directly hit by value of color you will get, but when you have a complicated object, not complicated, it's an array and multiple array, it's having child subchild, how to deal those things. So for that purpose, uh, I guess I have few example. Okay, this example you can see in items, items child is item and id, it's array, and this is again a simple, it's having a child, and then it's having a batters and batters having batter, so it's complicated and it's having etc. How to deal those things? So let me example, people will get confused with always with array, so let's start from here. So so we will, okay, so we saw that we can read in the deserialization, but now today I will show you how to read in a different way directly object, and you can in my previous videos you can see how to use the body and the asset for that. So we will see only printing of that. So how to use, here we have a response dot then dot extract dot JSON path dot get, and uh, first dot to string, it will give you the whole response of the, so whatever the response you are seeing, you can see, get the whole list here in a format of to string. So this is I want to see it. Second example, it we use it, but now we will custom and we will get the first value of the color. So how to do it? Till now everything is same. Here in JSON path we need to change the color, and this is a first op, so we'll, so it will print you the color. So let's run it. Now it's read, the red value will come. Another way is pretty similar, either you provide this is a first object, because there is no parent, we need to start with this and see, oh hello color, it will also work. So let's comment out this second example and run. Previous value was red, now you can see again value is a red. There is another way we can print the same value, pretty similar, just we need to change the get 0 dot 0. So don't get confused, I'm changing the values, but this is a way to read those values. I just wanted to list down those things. So there is another way we can show you. So if this is this is JSON path, and now I have to change JSON path dot, because this is a list, so we'll need to get, you can see the get object get string, so we'll use the get list method this time. And in get list what we need color. And if you have a because right now our example is having 1 2 3 the example, but we will read the first for the get 0 and one more bracket for printing. So last option will show you the red color. If we change it to the 0 1, so it will print the yellow value. Now it becomes yellow. So this is also way to deserialize. If you want to check the values and passing it to where you either you can use it assert, body part, and those values. So that's why I show you how to use those things. And you can also get the whole list with that, and you can just like in example I read the um, whole class creating getting the list, and we can, but sometimes you need only the value of colors, a red, green, black. How to do those things? So simple way, just I'm copying this in, and let me comment out rest so that you will not get. So this time we will print the colors only. So what we have to do, json path dot get list and color, and remove this one. What it will do, it will print the red, yellow, green. Yeah, this provide the list but only the color. So this is a way you can get. And one of the key is sometimes we use the dollars, and it will print the whole. It's just like the previous one. So very similar result or get, but previous one was a string, and that's, it will give you the list, and this is converted into a string. So don't get confused with printing the way, but it is this one. So this is an example, and show you one example. So previously I shown you the complicated object, yeah, this one. So how to read this value, how to get from value. This was the, even though this was an array, but it was a simple. But when these things are complicated, how to read. So let's see, test 3, we will provide, and we will, this is a get call and this is a URL. So response given dot simple get call, paste the URL. Now it is ready to call. Now we need to print the system dot out ln. Here we are, response dot then dot JSON get. This is not a list. Get, we need to provide them, and here we need to get the value. So first let's items. So first is items, we will copy it, item dot items. This is next level, the child. Where I have written, okay, items dot items. Then we need to print, if you want to print the ID, you can write it dot id. Let's see, it will print the ID, which is 001. This is 001. But how to go inside next level betas, and ID is not in there, so we use the betas. And now betas, okay, betas having better. Okay, here this is arrow, and it comes inside this. And the value of next is ID. Give me a second. ID better, the first one. So value 10000 ID, and okay, is having a multiple ID, so we need a first ID, then we need to provide the, so we have one value 1001, which is 1001. So this is a value child, and these things relation can be found, and you can get your values. That's it. Thank you.